In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily take a long screenshot on WhatsApp chat on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to the App Store. Then tap right here at search and enter Zeta, Z-E-T-A. That's how we can easily find that app, Zeta Stitch long screenshots. I'm just going to tap right here to head over to that app. At the very top, we can easily find it. And now, first off, we need to download this app on our device. It says open here. It means that this app is already downloaded on my iPhone, so I can skip this step. However, once you have downloaded this app for the first time, then you need to launch the app, and on that step you need to give all the necessary permissions. It will appear right here in this windows. Just give permissions to your camera roll and all other permissions, such as access to your Wi-Fi network, for example. Once it is done, let's move on to the next step, where we need to head over to settings. Then tap at Control Center. And here you need to ensure that screen recording shortcut is added to included controls. If it is not, like in that case, just scroll down until you find it at More Controls. Here it is. Now we can tap right here at this plus, and basically that's it. Now we can close settings, and now we can start screen recording. Later on in this video, I'll show you how to convert our screen recorded video into a long screenshot. But now just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to bring up the Control Center, and then tap right here at Screen Recording Shortcut. After a 3 seconds countdown, it will start recording our screen. And now we need to head over to WhatsApp. And then just search for a conversation. Let's say that one. And now we need to drag it down. We need to do it really slow, just like so. And then just keep doing it until you find all the messages you would like to put on your screenshot. Just keep dragging it in that way. And once it is done, tap right here to stop recording your screen. And then all we have to do is just head over to Zeta Stitch app, just like that. It has been detected that I recently recorded a screen, and now on that step we need to trim this video from the start. We need to trim all the part of the video except for the part where we record our conversation, just like so, and then just hit at next. What that will do, that will convert our video into a long screenshot. Here, as you can see, we have long page screenshot. Then let's say if you wanna trim it, you can easily do so as well by hitting right here at scissors. We can, let's say, trim it from the top, just like so, or we can trim some specific part of our screenshot. And then to save it to your photos gallery, just hit right here at save. Screenshot has been successfully saved. Now we can hit add sharing to share it with someone right from here. Also, if you hit add delete originals, it will delete the original screen recording video. I'm just going to hit add delete. And now if we head over to Photos app, that's where we can easily find our long screenshot, and that's how we can easily check it. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.